What if I told you there's a drug that could slow down aging, maybe even help you live decades longer? It sounds like something from a sci-fi movie, but scientists are already testing it. A real-life anti-aging pill could be closer than you think. A new drug called Rapamycin might be the closest thing we have to a fountain of youth. Originally developed to help transplant patients, scientists discovered that it extends the lifespan of mice by up to 60%. And now, the big question is, can it work for humans? So how does this age-reversing drug actually work? As we age, our cells build up damage and waste, which causes diseases, wrinkles, and eventually death. Rapamycin slows this down by targeting a protein called mTOR, which controls cell growth and repair. By tweaking mTOR, Rapamycin clears out damaged cells, making your body act younger at a cellular level. The results so far? Shocking. In mice, Rapamycin extended lifespan by up to 60%, even when given to older mice. And it's not just about living longer. It helps keep the brain sharp, prevents heart disease, and even reduces the risk of cancer. Some doctors and biohackers are already experimenting with low doses to see if it works for humans. But here's where it gets controversial. If we really can slow down aging, should everyone have access? Would only the rich get to live longer? And what happens if people stop dying as fast? Would we run out of resources? This drug could change society forever, and governments aren't sure how to handle it. So when can you take the anti-aging pill? Some human trials are already underway, but it could be years before it's officially available. Would you take a drug that slows down aging, or should humans not mess with nature? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more mind-blowing science.